Do you want to know how you can disable the notifications from Bing? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the notifications from Bing. Go ahead and locate Bing, which is on your phone, and tap on it. Now click on its settings, which is the I button, and then what you need to do is go to notifications. Now if you click on allow notifications, the notifications for Bing will be allowed and you will get some types of notifications. Now to disable it, just go ahead and click on this button and all of the notifications of Bing will be blocked. Now you can keep it on silent, or you can alter these notifications, like you will be allowed in the lock screen, the badge and the pop-up. So these are the three notifications which you can change. Or else if you want to block the Bing totally, go ahead and click this button over here and all of the notifications from Bing will be disabled. This was a video on how you can disable the notifications from Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.